Hey, if the sun turned you into a crispy snack, don't panic. I've got simple, no chemical hacks to erase that tan and bring back your glow. Quick and easy. Let's fix this. Tanning happens when your skin reacts to UV rays by producing more melanin to protect itself. But sometimes, we want that glow gone yesterday. Harsh chemical treatments might give quick results, but can damage your skin barrier and cause irritation. So what's the natural magic? Here's the most powerful, dermatologist-approved, and easy-to-do tan removal hacks that work for both face and body. First up, exfoliation is your best friend. Gently sloughing off dead skin cells helps fade the tan faster, but don't reach for rough scrubs loaded with microbeads. Instead, opt for natural exfoliants, like a sugar and honey scrub. Mix equal parts of fine sugar with raw honey. Add a few drops of lemon juice and massage gently in circular motions for 5 minutes before rinsing off with lukewarm water. Honey hydrates, while lemon's natural citric acid lightens pigmentation. Remember, don't over-exfoliate. 2-3 times a week is enough. Next, let's talk about the powerhouse ingredient, aloe vera. Aloe vera gel is a skin healer and hydrator that soothes sun damage while speeding up skin cell regeneration. Apply a thick layer of fresh aloe gel all over your face and body. Leave it on for 20-30 minutes, or overnight if you can. Aloe vera also cools inflamed skin and fades tan spots over time, making it a perfect daily ritual. For a natural bleach effect, tomato pulp is incredible. Tomatoes contain lycopene and vitamin C, which reduce melanin production and brighten the skin. Simply blend a ripe tomato and apply the pulp to the tanned areas for 15-20 minutes before washing off. It's refreshing and smells way better than harsh chemicals. Don't underestimate the humble milk bath. Lactic acid in milk gently exfoliates and moisturizes your skin, helping to remove tan while keeping your skin soft and supple. Pour 1-2 cups of cold milk into your bath and soak for 15-20 minutes. For a quick face pack, dip a cotton ball in milk and dab on your face daily. Another natural brightener is cucumber. It's packed with antioxidants and cooling properties that lighten pigmentation and hydrate. Grate a cucumber and blend it into a paste, or simply apply cucumber juice on your skin. Let it sit for 20 minutes before rinsing off. If you want a quick fix, try potato juice. Yes, potatoes. The natural enzymes and vitamin C in potatoes lighten dark spots and tan. Extract juice from a peeled potato and apply it with a cotton ball on the affected areas for 15 minutes daily. Hydration is crucial when fighting tan. Drinking plenty of water flushes out toxins and keeps your skin radiant. Pair that with a diet rich in vitamin C. Think oranges, strawberries, kiwi, to boost your skin's healing process from inside. Finally, always protect your skin after removing the tan. Use a natural sunscreen with zinc oxide or titanium dioxide, and wear hats or protective clothing when outdoors. Prevention is the best treatment. Done. Tan's gone, no weird stuff involved. If this helped, hit like you're wiping sweat off your forehead, and subscribe for more easy skin tips. Stay fresh.